Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to tell you about flowering plants for an east-facing windowsill. There are lots of plants that love the conditions an east-facing window provides, so you can choose plants to grow for their flowers or for their foliage, or even a mixture of the two. You'll know if you have an east-facing window because the sun rises in your window in the morning. Light, heat and water are all essential elements for plant growth, but you should choose your houseplants based on their all-important light requirements. My first flowering houseplant for an east-facing window is Streptocarpus. This is the Cape Primrose, a beautiful plant that will amaze you by producing masses of flowers from spring to autumn. It's moderately easy to grow and does well at normal house temperatures. Streptocarpus should be kept just moist. How you achieve that will depend on your environment. The soil should not be soggy, nor should it be allowed dry out completely. In winter, the plant will need less watering than in summer. You will need to judge the plant's water requirements by feeling the surface of the soil. Remember, your plant will probably recover from being allowed to dry out too much, but is unlikely to recover from sitting in water. Cape Primroses need to be fertilised from February to November with a high potash fertiliser at 1/4 of the manufacturer's recommended strength. Like many plants that flower in abundance, regular hygiene maintenance is required. Remove dead flowers and trim spent flower stems to the base. Browning leaves can also be trimmed and removed. Grow Streptocarpus on an east-facing windowsill from spring to autumn. In winter, move your plant to a brighter position, a south-facing window if possible. My second flowering plant for your east window is a lot lower maintenance than the Cape Primrose. It's the Christmas cactus. This plant will flower any time from late November to early January, giving a wonderful Christmas display. It does well at normal house temperatures, but will appreciate a cooler room after flowering with temperatures of 55 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 12 to 15 centigrade. Allow the Christmas cactus to dry out completely between waterings. It'll require more water during active growth in the summer and less just after flowering. Fertilise with a liquid houseplant fertiliser from April to September and repot every few years. Grow your Christmas cactus on an east-facing window for best results. So there's no excuse now for a bare east-facing windowsill. Why not fill it up with beautiful flowering plants? Happy growing!